Good morning, traders. I'm glad to bring to you this morning just trying to run the live trade for some of my traders, some of my guys who are out there. This live trade. I'm just trying to place 1 or 2 trades for you to see how it goes. And you can see I have my PC and I have my phone as well, and so trading is an art, and so you have to carve your own path. You have to find the best way that suits you. And so with Just Forex Trading Academy, I'm actually going to take you through all the processes, how you can get your required apps installed. And so when that happens, you should be able to trade on your own and to make your profit. Now, looking at what I'm seeing right now, I think there's a good entry for me. That is actually GBP USD, and so I'm going to buy now because it's like the way the price is going, the price is going to go up, so I can decide to buy, so I'm going to place a buy here. You can see I'm going to trade with my phone, so you can see I am placing my lot size here. It's very important to understand what lot size is. Okay, so when you join my mentorship program, I'm going to use 1.5, so that I can test the market and see. So let me buy right away. Yes, I'm buying 1.5. I think I've placed 2 entries. Check and see how it's going. Yes, I think right now it's going red for me, but surely it's gonna turn in my favor. Yes, so look at the chart. You can see that the chart is going up, but I'm just hoping that it will continue upwards, so that I can perhaps make up something from this my trade. Yes, so basically those who are interested to go into the forex trading, all that you actually need to understand is to get all your gadgets ready. You've got to get your internet service. You've got to get your either you have a smartphone or you have a tablet or you have a computer. You are good to go. All you need is to get a few of the required apps, and then you are good to go. Yes, our trade is ongoing, and then we are hoping that we are going to maximize our profit here. Yes, so as a beginner, you don't have to use this lot size. Okay, you see the lot size I'm using as a beginner. You don't have to use the lot size. You can see I'm using 1.5. okay, so you see the graph seems to be coming down, but I still have that hope that it will go in my favor. Yes, so if you don't have enough capital and you place this kind of trade, you might have to incur a lot. You can see that it's going down. In this case, I might have to lose some money, but I have hopes that this will soon turn in my favor, and that is what I'm expecting. And so look at the graph, you understand what I'm talking about. Yes, so traders, you've got to get yourself ready for my tutorials. And so I believe and understand that if you are part of this training, you are actually going to understand what it takes to get into the forex market. Yes, so that's how it is. So first of all, you've got to get your apps. You have to get a broker. You have to get a broker, and the broker will serve as an intermediary between you yourself and the financial market. Yes, so the broker is going to help you to help you in the market with your funds. And so once you choose the right broker, you are good to go. Yes, so we have Xness as a broker, we have XM Global as a broker, we also have pocket options, we have binary. A lot of these brokers are out there for you to leverage on them and also to use them to trade. Yes, so first of all, you have to get the brokerage account. The brokerage account is an account that is created or that is being opened through a broker. And so when you get an account through a broker, we call that account a brokerage account. So when you get your account ready, then you make a deposit, then you are good to go. But first of all, you need the knowledge. You need the knowledge. So you can see that it's going up. You can see that it's going up. And so let's see whether we are in blue. So we are still in red. We are still in red, but it's reduced from 45 or 46 to what we are seeing right now. So I'm hoping that yes, it's gonna go in my favor, and then you can see that it's going up. Yes, so as soon as it gets here, then I'll start seeing my profit. But first of all, you need to understand your parameters. You see, as an experienced trader, I wouldn't have to use my time. Like I have to set my parameters before I enter a trade. Yes, that is the reality. That is the guideline. But once you have the experience, you know when to enter inside the market and when to come out of it. You don't have any problem to actually worry about. Yes, I'll do a series of these live trade videos for you guys, so that all of you who are actually having interest in getting into forex trading would have a fair idea of what you are supposed to expect. And also I just use one of my account. This is one of my accounts that I'm using. Yes, this is one of my accounts. So you can see what is happening right now. Let's look at the chart once again. Yes, so you can see how the market goes. I've actually intentionally to place this trade to let you guys understand how it works. Basically, sometimes I don't really trade on currency pairs. You know, currency pairs is what I was trading some time ago, and I decided to right now I trade more on gold and then that of oil. And so because of the volatility level of gold and that of oil, I think if you don't have the experience to go into it, it will be hard for you to trade gold or oil and make profit out of it. Yes, you can still make profit though if you know your way out. If you're able to find your way out, I'm sure you'll be able to maximize your profit. Yes, investment is the best way to go. Investment is the best way to go. I have people who have money, I mean, sitting on their bank accounts for years and for months, and then they keep on asking, what do I use my money for? What do I get into? Yes, there are better ways for you to use your money and also to grow it as well. Don't forget that when you put your money in your bank account, your money is not going to be growing, but rather depreciating, because you know, banks are out there to make profit, and so they wouldn't allow your money to be sitting there. They'll tell you that, okay, maybe a savings account has an interest of 3% or maybe 4%. By the end of the day, this will still going to realize on your savings account. This is because inflation is going to set in, and then other charges of the banks is also going to set in. And so with that line, you are not going to actually realize any profit. So why don't you venture into forex trading, where you can just use 2 or 3 days to maximize your profit, and then now use the profit to trade. Look, I do have most of my students who have actually, you can see the chart, see that it's going up. Okay, that's actually going to that level. So let's see. I think it's, yes, I'm still going somehow better. I'm still hoping that what I'm seeing here will turn to something better for me. Yes, so if you are a new trader, if you're a beginner, I don't expect you to go into this tangent, because this tangent will not help you. Because if your money is not, see, so far I've lost about $94. I've lost almost $103. You can see it here. Okay, I've lost 94. So it goes up and comes down. So imagine if you don't have enough capital and you lose this amount of money, where are you? You see that? But hey, within a minute, I can recover this 3 times of this. That is how forex trading works. So you can see that the chart, it was here, and I said it's going to go up. It came a little bit down, now it's going again. This is how the forex market works. The price movement is something that nobody can predict, and so the price actually moves in pips, what we call pips, P-I-P-S. We call pips the movement of price, which is what we call pips. And so it depends on how fast or how slow you see the market moving. You see the price. This is the price level. Okay, this is the price. At this price, 1.33706. So you see where it's going. So I'm just hoping. So you see something for yourself. You saw earlier I had lost like 100 and something. Now I have 40. I lost, now it's reduced to 40. So that means it's turning on my favor, and this will soon turn to blue, and that is going to tell you that that's the profit that I'm going to start making. But for now, I'm losing like $13 each, and then I would have, this is just 6:17 a.m. Ghana time. Yes, so let's just hope for the best and see how this trade will end. And I will take you to the next step. So you just have to get your broker or your brokerage account. So you can use any of the brokers and then get your account with them, and then you get your MT5. MT5 is also a trading terminal where you can use to execute all your trades, and then it's going to help you. So the trading is going on well, and we are hoping for the best. We are hoping for good returns, and then that is how investment works. So this is the overview of the chart. Now, if you don't have the experience of trading, I advise that you trade basically on the currency pairs. Okay, the currency pairs, that's the buying and selling of the global currencies. That is better because the volatility level of those currencies, or the currencies that we're going to be trading with, is something that you can rely on, something that you cannot just blow your account at once. But because I have the experience, I know what I'm doing, I can enter the market even without closing my lines. You know, your buying limit and your selling limit. You have to also set your parameters, i.e. your take profit and then your stop losses. These are very important parameters that you have to set in order to safeguard your capital and also to maximize your profit. Yes, this is how it works, and we'll soon see profit reading right now, and that is how the Forex market actually works. So with the currency pairs, we do have the minor currency pairs, we also have the major currency pairs, we also have the exotic currency pairs and all that. And so you need to be part of this training, you need to be part of this mentorship, you need to be part of this training so that it will help you. And that is what I'm doing right now. So most of my students, I think first cohort, second cohort, and third cohort, for now they have started making their own profit. And then you would understand that it is good to be in profit. It's good to be with a good trader or a good coach or a good mentor, and I'm sure you'll be fine. So don't hesitate, just take my number, give me a call away, and then you'll see yourself trading Forex. Yes, I know you might have been having dreams of trading Forex for years ago, but you have not gotten the right channel, the right means, somebody to coach you, somebody to guide you. And so you wouldn't be able to understand what it takes to get into the Forex market. But with just Forex Trading Academy, you don't have any problem to worry about. All you need is to pick my number, give me a call, and then we can start the process. All you need is for you to take the tutorial serious. I think within a week you should be able to realize your profit. I have few of my students who on daily basis, they keep on showing me their profit that they are making, and they keep thanking us.